Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a home page on the application of Reddit. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Reddit and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, bell icon.